scientist or astronomer when I grow up. That might be my future job place.
So if I miss this opportunity, so individually I will able to go to ISRO.
It was so fascinating to see the control room and how the things work all.
In future, I'll try join the ISRO and work here also.
I think once in a lifetime chance to visit ISRO, pride of our nation.
And the worst thing was, it ends.
Hello, MyGov Sathis. Today is a day of celebration and inspiration. Why? Because today we have come to ISRO at Sriharikota.
If I say in one line that she fulfilled my dream, and since my childhood I am following ISRO, and the day I got to know that she has been selected, so I can't say that how overjoyed I was when I got that mail and the call from MyGov that your daughter has been selected for this event. I really appreciate MyGov.
Being an engineer, I never been to ISRO, and also I think it is a great exposure to a child, and also as well as a parents. I think it is both of us. So we are very excited that my son is going to having a great experience, and I think it will be for his moral boost also. Is a part of premier institution visit. I think it will help there in future education as well as we can say they can drive. It will drive their future in a better way.
Actually, no one, even I don't think so whether the WhatsApp IS or ISRO also will get a chance of this. But certainly, I feel very proud that she may even get into ISRO in future, in forthcoming.
पहले तो बेटे ने बताया नहीं था कि मैं क्विज दे रहा हूँ, और जैसे ही रिजल्ट आया तब उन्होंने बताया कि नहीं ऐसा कुछ दिया था मुझे, ये मौका आया है, तो अब उनकी प्रसन्नता हुई। ये चांस ISRO में जाने का चांस जीवन में कभी किसी को मिले और बच्चों को मिल रहा है, तो बहुत बड़ी प्रसन्नता अंदर से हुई। मैंने कहा बिल्कुल तैयारी बनाओ।
आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं नेशनल स्पेस डे क्विज के विनर्स ऑन देयर एक्सक्लूसिव विजिट टू ISRO, द प्राइड ऑफ इंडिया स्पेस रिसर्च। आज ये विनर्स एक्सपीरियंस करने वाले हैं स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन एंड द इनक्रेडिबल अचीवमेंट्स ऑफ ISRO। अंडर द विजनरी लीडरशिप ऑफ PM Modi, India's space program has reached new heights, making our tricolor fly beyond the stars. So let's get ready to explore, learn and be inspired by the journey that has made every Indian proud. Let's go.
मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ PM नरेंद्र मोदी जी का और MyGov का, जिन्होंने हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी दी ISRO घूमने की। यहाँ पे हर कोई नहीं जा सकता, नॉर्मल बंदा नहीं जा सकता, और ये मेरा लाइफ टाइम ही मेमोरी होगी, इवेंट होगा, और जहाँ पे मैं जाके देख सकता हूँ कि यहाँ से हमने चंद्रयान 3 सक्सेसफुल लॉन्च किया है और लैंडिंग किया है मून पे, और वो वर्क स्टेशन कैसा है, वो कौन से कैसे इंजीनियर थे, कैसा वर्क स्टेशन है, कैसे लॉन्च करते हैं, एंड मैनी मोर।
I'm thankful to MyGov for this opportunity, and I'm also thankful to be selected as one of the 100 winners.
It's really nice, and I'm feeling very excited to be a part of ISRO. Big things to explore science and technology, and I would like to thank you, my government, ISRO team, and most to PM sir for giving us such a great opportunity.
It's a very wonderful, I think, visit to ISRO, because I don't think so if I miss this opportunity, so individually I will able to go to ISRO.
It was really impressive from Assam to Tamil Nadu, such a long distance and such a short duration. It was truly engrossing, and the thing is, I've experienced many things here in this journey, learn new things, and meet bonds with different people across the country. So it was truly amazing.
It was unexpected, land on इधर बेंगलुरु आना, really amazing.
मैं माई जी और को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा इस अप्रोच के लिए, हमारे यंगस्टर्स के लिए रीड कर पाए और नई टेक के बारे में, टेक में वो कुछ एक्सप्लोर कर पाए। ये मेरा पहला एक्सपीरियंस है रहा। मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ ISRO के लिए, कैंपस विजिट के लिए, और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
I think once in a lifetime chance to visit ISRO, pride of our nation.
It has been a wonderful experience actually. I was not hoping for this, but then when the call came, it was very surprising, and it was an excitement, you know, because it's the first time I'm getting a call, and visiting ISRO is itself a milestone for me.
एक्सपीरियंस तो बड़ा ही इंसाइटफुल और एन्चेंटिंग रहा है, क्योंकि ना केवल इसरो के अंदर जो हमारी विजिट होने वाली है उसके बारे में सोचकर तो एक्साइटमेंट है, लेकिन साथ ही इसरो के जितने भी हमने पास्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे और माईगोव के ही प्लेटफॉर्म पर कई सारे इसरो के बारे में आर्टिकल्स और ब्लॉग्स पढ़े, तो एक थोड़ी सी एक्साइटमेंट के साथ साथ इंक्विजिटिवनेस भी है, एक उत्सुकता है कि किस प्रकार से वहाँ अनुभव रहेगा, लॉन्च पैड से लेकर जो मिशन कंट्रोल सेंटर्स है वहाँ किस प्रकार से वो लोग वहाँ काम करते हैं, तो वो जानने की एक एक्साइटमेंट और इंक्विजिटिवनेस भी साथ में जिज्ञासा भी है। देखते हैं अब क्या आगे हम क्या सीखते हैं, क्या समझते हैं, क्या एक्सप्लोर करते हैं।
ISRO का visit has come to an end, but before we let the winners go, let's get to know about their experience from today's visit.
First of all, the experience was amazing. They were very cooperative. They explained each and every thing in very detailed manner, and it was so fascinating to see the control room and how the things work all.
The two unforgettable moments for me was when we walked into the mission control center and when we saw the vehicle assembly point. Because when I saw the vehicle assembly point, I realized that there are much bigger things out in the world and so much to discover. And the mission control center also, because I want to be an astrophysicist or an astronomer when I grow up, so that might be my future job place.
So I really enjoyed it, and it made me feel proud as an Indian to visit the space station at Sriharikota. The people were really interactive and I really enjoyed it. They explained everything in detail.
My experience was actually really amazing and unforgettable, like actually being able to go to ISRO in real life and seeing everything and how things happen. It was great and exciting. Since my childhood, it was a dream for me to visit the ISRO, and since I have watched the Chandrayaan 3 mission and its successful soft landing on the south pole of the moon, I was fascinated by ISRO and its scientists and appreciated their hard work, which made India the first country to reach the south pole of the moon.
Today's visit to ISRO was fun. I enjoyed wherever we went. I enjoyed that, and the worst thing was it ends. Best thing was that we went everywhere, and it was like a dream come true. Good things come to an end.
It was a very good experience to visit the spaceport of our country. I liked visiting the launch pad as well as the mission control facility. It was very inspiring and I liked it a lot. In future, I'll try to join the ISRO and work here. So.
Wow, what an amazing day this has been. इस विजिट से सिर्फ विनर्स को ही नहीं, साथ ही साथ हमें भी मिला अ डीपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन। हमने जाना कि भारत स्पेस सेक्टर में कितना आगे बढ़ चुका है। बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, स्काई इज नॉट द लिमिट। यस, दैट्स ट्रू। इसरो और आत्मनिर्भर भारत की स्पिरिट से हम यूं ही आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे और स्पेस सेक्टर में और भी अचीवमेंट्स हासिल करते रहेंगे। जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए माईगव इंडिया।